What's up guys, today's video is on the top 5 best rowing machine under 300. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Starting at number 5, we have the Circuit Fitness Foldable Magnetic Rowing Machine. Circuit Fitness Foldable Magnetic Rowing Machine is specially designed for the cardio workout. You can get a flat body and tone muscle with the rowing machine. The rowing machine comes with a magnetic flywheel which weighs only 9 pounds. And the flywheel offers 8 levels of resistance for the customizable cardio workout. Again, you can control the resistance with the variable resistance of the rowing machine. Besides that, the machine has a comfortable seat which is designed by following the injection molding process. As a result, the seat ensures ultimate comfort and support during the workout. Again, the handle is also anti-slip and is covered with the foam. The machine comes with 2 foot pedals which are resistant to slip, and both of them have customizable straps to ensure stability. The rowing machine also features a display panel so that you get necessary information such as time, total count, distance, RPM, and calorie count. The Circuit Fitness also has a media holder so that you can place your tablet or other devices in the holder, and can enjoy the workout with music, movies, etc. Lastly, the machine features transport wheels and foldable rower. In a nutshell, Circuit Fitness is considered as the best rowing machine under 300. Which you may check for your cardio purpose. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Sunny Health and Fitness SFRW 5623 Air Rowing Machine. Sunny Health and Fitness SFRW 5623 is a very user-friendly and low-impact machine. It is designed to ensure the correct intensity of the workout. For that, the rowing machine features 8 levels of resistance. On top of that, it has a tension knob to adjust the level of resistance. Besides that, it has a fan to create a dynamic response to the resistance. That means it increases the stroke power and speed as well. The air rowing machine has a padded seat which ensures maximum comfort during longer workouts. Aside from that, it comes with non-slip handlebar which is sweat resistant. It also features large foot pedals to give confidence for hard exercise. Then the rower has an LCD digital monitor to track your workout progress. Like the other rowing machine's display, it also can show you the time, speed and other relative things. But it can show you the heart rate as well, which you probably won't find in other similar machines. Overall, it is that kind of machine which deserves a second look and worth the price. At number 3, we have the Merricks Magnetic Exercise Rower. Merricks Magnetic Exercise Rower Machine is designed to provide the best performance during rowing. Because it has 8 levels of magnetic resistance to boost up your rowing workout. The machine allows you to control the resistance by twisting the tension knob. Also, the Merricks features an upholstered seat to ensure ultimate comfort and support. Besides that, engineers have designed the seat rail in a 15-degree angle so that the seat can move quickly in front and back as well. Besides the padded seat, the machine has footplates which come with a rotary design. And these footplates can provide enough support while doing workouts. The manufacturer uses a magnetic flywheel to minimize the noise during rowing. You can track your progress and also can appropriately modify your current routine. Because the machine comes with a large LCD so that you can monitor the time, calorie, stroke and much more. Again, the machine is equipped with wheels to ensure smooth transportation, and the rower frame is also foldable. For that, you can conveniently store the Merricks. Overall, it has a lot of features and it's worth the price. At number 2, we have the Sunny Health and Fitness SFRW 5856 Magnetic Rower. Sunny Health and Fitness SFRW 5856 Rower Machine enables you to do in-home cardio exercises comfortably. It comes with 44.7 inches rail, a padded seat, and you can slide forward as well as back while rowing. You also get foam grip handlebars to ensure a firm grip. Also, the machine provides you with non-slip footplates to maintain the balance. And these foot pads keep you stable during exercise. The footplates are textured and can accommodate all sizes. Then the main feature of the SFRW 5856 is its 8 levels of magnetic resistance. You can control the resistance with a magnetic knob. Again, there is a flywheel which weight is around 11 pounds. And it utilizes the resistance of the rower machine. The wheel drive is built to provide a smooth and powerful stroke during rowing. Besides that, you get significant information about exercises on your digital monitor. The monitor displays time, speed, stroke count, calories burned, and much more to help you to reach your fitness goal. The machine features floor levelers to create a balanced rowing experience on almost any floor. It also has transport wheels so that you can effortlessly move the machine to a convenient place. Overall, the SFRW 5856 fits the essential requirements of the serious athlete. And finally at number 1, we have the Sunny Health and Fitness Dual Function Rowing Machine. If you are searching for a dual function rowing machine at a reasonable price, then you may inquire into the Sunny Health and Fitness SFRW 5622 Dual Function Magnetic Rowing Machine. Besides using as a rowing machine, you can also use it as an upper body strength machine. That means you can target your arms, biceps, and shoulder with standing workouts. The budget rowing machine provides you with 8 levels of magnetic resistance to optimize your workout. You can control the resistance of the machine by rotating the tension knob according to your need. Also, the SFRW 5622 features a padded seat and an anti-slip handlebar. The handlebar is cushioned to ensure enough comfort and support during rowing. Besides that, you can track your time, speed, distance, and burned calories with the LCD monitor. The engineers give it an ergonomic design to make it durable as well as comfortable. Again, it has wheels for transportation with ease. And you can also fold the rower to keep the machine in a convenient place. Overall, Sunny Health never disappoints its customer. So like their other rowing machine, SFRW 5622 offers a lot of features, and you may choose the machine for yourself. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.